Today, Kwame Kilpatrick filled out a financial affidavit just like this one, telling the court he does not have enough money to pay for his own lawyer. So Jim Thomas is now officially his court-appointed attorney, and he's ready to fight. The former mayor, who used to roll through Detroit in expensive SUVs, was brought into federal court in a secure sheriff's van this morning. Now that Kwame Kilpatrick has been arraigned on tax and fraud charges, his attorney is hoping the U.S. Marshals will move him to the Federal Correctional Institution in Milan.
Custody's not a place where anybody wants to be. But if you're going to be somewhere, proximity to your lawyer is an important thing. If he was in Manistee, he'd be 4 hours away from me. If he was in Manistee, he wouldn't have access to a federal law library. He wouldn't have access to the computers that they have over at the detention center.
Kilpatrick presented the court with a financial affidavit stating he did not have enough money to pay for his attorney. By 3 p.m., his longtime lawyer, Jim Thomas, was officially appointed on the case. Kilpatrick used to have a law license, and Thomas says if his client is moved to Milan, Kilpatrick can help review the mountains of material in this case, which could include 9 months of wiretaps and other recorded phone calls.
A grand jury has been convened for 2 years. I'd say it's complicated. I'd say that there's been a lot of witnesses here who have testified that I haven't even seen their testimony yet.
Thomas also said Kilpatrick is ready to fight, and he won't even discuss the idea of a plea deal at this point.
I'm not discussing a plea deal. I am not in a position at this point to discuss anything relating to resolution of this case short of trial because I haven't seen the evidence yet.
Jim Thomas expects to meet with the judge tomorrow to go over a timeline as to how this case will proceed. And an interesting question arose today about Mr. Thomas's role in this case. I'll have the details on that coming up tonight on Action News at 6. Reporting live at the federal courthouse in downtown Detroit, I'm Heather Catallo, Channel 7 Action News.